Hey guys, how you doing today? So we got a new flashlight. This is the Olight ArkPro Stars and Stripes edition. This is to celebrate the United States 250th birthday. As you can see, it's anodized in a nice red, white, and blue flag design. On the back, it says 250 years, 1776 to 2026. Very beautiful light, very patriotic. And this light does come with the magnetic charger, as well as being able to be charged with the USB-C port here on the side. It does have a laser. It does have UV, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. Has flood mode and spot. Puts out 1500 lumens on turbo, and it's a nice little light. And it's also the parkerizing is on this distressed aluminum finish. Hopefully that's all coming through. And I don't know if you guys can see how these ArkPros work as far as the indication, but I think it's important to show you that. I'm going to turn that on, and hopefully you can see that indication, the way that looks. Whenever you go through the different settings, and push and hold, double click, you'll get your turbo. Anyway, Olight offers a lifetime warranty on these flashlights, and they've always been good flashlights. I've always been happy with all my Olight flashlights. They've been around for a long time, and they really stand behind their stuff. And let's go over there to the car. I'm going to show you how I use one of these pretty much every day. So this also comes with a clip that is able to be removed if you so desire, but it's a dual mode clip. So dual direction, whatever you want to call it, you can clip something this way or this way. Like on a hat bill this way, use it as a headlamp. Of course, if you put it in your pocket, you got this clip. So let's go over here on the car. Let me show you how this thing works. So even though it's light out, there's areas inside an engine bay that can be very hard to see. But whenever you've got a nice little light, that's on spot right there. That's on flood. And it lights up the entire engine bay. And if you was trying to show someone something, the nice thing about the laser is you can actually use it while the light is on. So you can see the laser right there with the white light on, so you can point to stuff, if you need to. Turn the laser off. Another nice thing is a lot of times you're using dye in the coolant system, in the oil, in the AC system, trying to locate leaks. So I put a little bit of dye around this fitting right here just to show you how easy it is if you've got a UV light, which this UV light is 365 nanometers in wavelength, which is the perfect wavelength for most UV dyes. I'm going to turn it on, and you can see that fluoresce. So very easy to find leaks. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on high. This does have a high and low mode UV light. So you can see how handy that would be. Then of course you got your regular white light. Again, go to spot. Has, I believe, a 205 meter throw in spot mode. But anyway, the main subject of this video is that beautiful red, white, and blue flag design. It is waterproof. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care.